It's Kelly Timecat again. Today I'm going to review the film Mrs. Harris Goes to Paris 2022. I enjoy stories set in those post-war decades before I was born, and so I was very much looking forward to seeing this. It stars Leslie Manfield, who has been so great in so many Mike Leigh's films over the years. The eponymous Mrs. H is a cleaner with a dream about travelling to the French capital. She'd love to buy a dress designed and created by one of the big fashion houses there. But she's gobsmacked when she finds out the cost of a dress owned by a woman she serves is £500. Then a win on the pools gives her the first sense of hope that a trip to the City of Love may be within her grasp. It's a moderate win. Well, it's £110, which would be about 3,000 in today's money. From what I've read recently, inflation has averaged 5% over the decades since the 50s, and the pound has lost 97% of its value since then. So she scrimps and saves, and she makes some silly mistakes, but eventually she flies over and she encounters some very snooty attitudes. She's good at sniffing out the wrong ones, those with superficial values. She gives them short shrift, those people just not worth bothering with, and she persists. There are some shocks and bumps on a journey, even when she's back in London, but the kinder, happier side of humanity shines through. What a glamorous adventure it was. If you've watched Mrs. Harris Goes to Paris, please let me know what you think. But I loved it. I'd give it 8.5 out of 10. So, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye for now.